morning, everybody. This is Trenchless Tuesday. It is November 28th. I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. I'm sure we all had lots of turkey and stuffing. Right before Thanksgiving, I was able to go to a job site just down the street from where I grew up in Nampa, Idaho. Kind of a unique situation. I'm going to show you guys some pictures of the project that I got to go on site for. So as you can see in my photo here, these were the 2 sticks of snap-tite. So this project is interesting because there was snap-tite originally installed in 2011. I actually was able to see the date on the pipe, and it was put under Franklin Road. So with that said, the city of Nampa is extending Franklin Road currently right now, and they obviously found the snap-tite pipe that had been put in 12 years ago and ended up calling me, asking about the snap-tite and how they were going to extend the snap-tite pipe. And obviously with snap-tite, the bell and spigot joint makes it super easy to extend. You're just going to snap on some more and keep moving. So in this project, I just took a couple of pictures when I got there of the 2 sticks that they bought to add on. They needed about 40 feet. So this right here is 48 feet. They had a little extra, but as you can see behind it, there's some new ADS pipe that's going to be going in as a direct bury pipe. And this snap-tite is also being direct buried because they originally just lined the 2-lane road that they're now extending to 4 lanes. You can see the background about 1.5 miles away is the freeway. That's our main freeway leading between Boise, Nampa, all the way to Oregon, across the state. I just got a close up here of the bell and spigot joint. Just kind of give you a little clip so you can see the traffic moving back there. We've had some really great weather here in Idaho recently. Just starting to get cold. So here they're bringing the first stick down. They already had a beautiful head wall built when this was done in 2011. Unfortunately, that head wall is now cut down, and they have brought in a new head wall that the snap-tite is going to go into. So I have a video here. So the one challenge on this project is that the person, whoever installed snap-tite in 2011, they did build it so flush with the head wall that it was a harder time trying to grab it because we had no excess pipe sticking out of that head wall. So that made it a little more challenging to get that first stick in place. And then this is the new head wall on the left that was already put in. So took us a little while. There was because that other pipe has been in the ground for 12 years. There was some ovaling of that pipe just over time with the grout. That's normal. That's going to happen. So we really just kind of needed to re-round this pipe here in the head wall to make it easier to get the snap-tite in. So we spent a few hours, obviously, letting it warm up, but also getting an extender out there, trying to recircular it to make the 2 joints line up easily. Really nice head wall, as you can see. I took a picture inside the pipe just so you could see kind of all the different sticks that were running across the road. So yeah, once they got that first stick in, then they came and did the second stick and essentially put it through that new head wall. Kind of interesting, unique project. We don't see that often because you don't see like a lot of, at least I don't in my territory, of extending a road like that. So anyway, that was my Trenchless Tuesday. I just wanted to share that project with you guys, and we'll see you back next week.